Hey YouTube, just want to do an update video on the fixing or repairing before replacing video I did. Basically, I had to get a brand new belt for the self-propellant part of it, and I went ahead and filled the gearbox with new grease, and I also filed down and sharpened the blade and just kind of cleaned it up, touched up on a few things. I mean, there's not a whole lot to this, but I just did some little fiddling and stuff, kind of touch it up. And I had to go to about 5 different stores to find that belt. Lowe's and Ace and all that around here didn't have it, and finally I got it, put it on, and it works great now. Someone had mentioned something about the tension adjuster, which is right here. Let's see. This right here, and basically what this does is it adjusts how much you're pulling the belt. But what it was I had already adjusted this to the max before I even did the first video, and I didn't know the vocabulary and the terminology for all these parts. But yeah, I had did that, and it still, to no dismay, the belt was just so worn out, so it didn't do anything. But anyway, so when I put the new belt on, I had to, of course, readjust it again to loosen it down. So now it's great. But anyways, apart from this, just want to let y'all see it actually working. So here it goes.